How to pay property tax with credit card. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about paying your property taxes using your credit card. So make sure to watch until the end for more information. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to visit your state's online tax payment platform. Keep in mind that some states may require a third-party processor, so verify that you're using the correct site. Once you're in the platform, you need to enter your property tax information, which includes your parcel ID and the assessor's identification number, and this information will help you locate your tax records. Fill in and confirm any requested personal information. Choose your preferred payment method, selecting credit card, and it's a good idea to pick a card that offers higher rewards or a new credit card with 0% APR. And after selecting your card, enter its details on the tax processing platform, including your name, CVV code, and credit card number. Before submitting, you can double-check all your payment details and finally print the confirmation page in case you need it for any disputes. And that's it. This is exactly how you can pay your property taxes with a credit card. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.